This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Raise and support the front of the vehicle securely on jack stands. This will aid in easier access to the drain plug and filter. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield and its mounting bolts. Being careful not to touch the hot exhaust components, place a drain pan under the drain plug and remove the plug. Gloves are also strongly recommended when removing the plug. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with an oil filter wrench, then remove it, making sure the rubber gasket is not stuck to the engine. With a clean rag, wipe off the dirty oil on the affected areas below the filter housing and also on the filter housing itself. Lubricate the new filter gasket with clean engine oil prior to installation. Install the new filter, tightening it hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug, then tighten it. Reinstall the under-vehicle splash shield, then tighten the bolts securely. Raise the front of the vehicle, remove the jack stands, then lower the vehicle. With the oil filler cap removed, fill the engine with the proper rated oil to the correct level, as checked with the engine oil level dipstick. A funnel will aid in preventing spillage. Reinstall the oil filler cap. After filling the engine with some oil, be sure to check the dipstick to make sure the oil is at the proper level.